What's up, y'all? Here's some sneakers here that you guys can get for under 75 bucks.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So today we're...
No, wait.
No, we're reviewing...
No, these are mine.
No, these ones here.
Bro, no. What do you got, dude?
Well, I got here the adidas Supercourts.
Oh, bro, me too.
Should we just review it together? Or?
Hey, man, before we do this video, make sure you hit that like button down below.
And if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button here for more sneaker vids. If you're returning, we love y'all, man.
We do.
And notification bells as well, so you never miss a vid. But yeah, as you can see, we have two pairs of sneakers here, man. Bro. It's not two different pairs, like they kind of are, but they're the same, you know, same but different. We're gonna be reviewing the Adidas Supercourts, like we said.
Bro, are these a sponsored?
Not sponsor.
What?
But we can be. Adidas, you know, just hit us up, man. Can we do it at the same time?
Oh yeah. Bro, not loud?
Nice and fresh.
Look at that. Smells like they were just out the garden, bro.
Bro, look at that. I really like loud, really bright sneakers, but I got something a lot more essential, a lot more classic, something that can match my outfits a lot more, you know? Like more of a staple piece.
Oh,
yeah.
I see it,
right?
Bro.
Right?
Damn.
That's why white with like a nice color hit. That's all you need,
Beautiful.
man.
Oh, the blue is hitting nice, dude.
Exactly. Yeah, man, without further ado, we got the Adidas Supercourts on deck here, alright? Now, these Adidas Supercourts, they're one of Adidas' classic silhouettes.
It is.
Started popping, I believe, in 2019. And
you could be right.
Yeah, I could be. I'm not
right.
too sure. They have a bunch of different versions like this here, man. But I got these classic ones here. And on a steal as well, man.
Damn, how much you get it for?
I went on SSENSE.com.
No way,
Yeah,
bro.
Yes, sir. They had a good sale, man. I actually got both of these here. I need to find the price.
Yeah, word, no.
Damn. Each pair was just a little bit more than $60. One was $69, one was $64.
Bro, that's highway robbery.
Yeah, that's just called a modern day burglary, alright? I got these here for $139 something Canadian dollars. For both pairs, man. That's as much as one pair regular. You know, that's crazy.
That's crazy. No shipping?
No shipping. No shipping. We don't like that. No shipping. No shipping. We don't do that. No.
Yeah, no.
Get it. Right now, you can get pairs on SSENSE.ca, not sponsored, as low as $54, man. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
I'm saying, man. I'm super saying. Oh, we're not putting that in there.
Hey, if you haven't seen our others, that's what Get What Super Saiyan before you.
We're putting it in there.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Damn.
It's a good price, man.
It's cheap.
And regular prices on these ones here, man, $115, $120, man. Almost half the price on both these. We got a thick sole.
It is thick.
It really doesn't hold back on its thickness, man. It's really, really proud.
It ain't shy.
It ain't shy. The outsole, on the other hand, man, we have a bunch of different patterns, which is pretty cool. It's kind of like one of those optical illusions, you know? It's like you hold it up here and the instructions say, look closely and then pull back slowly. And what do you see? The butterfly effect. You know what I'm saying? What do you see, man?
The butterfly effect.
That's what I'm saying, man. They're really
crazy.
What's it called? Intuitive?
Yeah.
Intuitive.
Yeah, intuitive. Bro, it's crazy. They said like you got a shoe, right? But in case you gotta grade some trees, you can grade some trees.
Bro,
it's like a utility shoe. Bro, it exfoliates?
Damn, that actually hurt.
Yeah, it's sticking.
That rubber was traction-y.
Hey, the sole
Speak.
test? It works.
Sole test.
Damn.
Pass the test, man. Pass the vibe check.
Yeah. What we got next?
Yeah. Move it up to the uppers, alright? Now, we got here a smooth white leather going on here, man.
I feel it.
You can see that nice 3 stripes perforated onto the side, on the lateral, and a medial as well.
No way.
Exactly. It's a nice hit.
Yeah.
Nice hit. On the toe box here, we have a clean hit of beige suede, off-white.
Ooh, I know I found something nice there.
Exactly.
Hey,
off-white suede, cool gray, one of those two, maybe in between. I don't know, but it's white.
Suedeful.
Suedeful. Persuadeful, if I do say so myself.
Yes.
The details on here, nice and simple. But as a whole, immaculate.
Bro, towards the heel. If I wasn't looking carefully, I would have missed this
Yeah,
this logo.
it's easy to miss.
It is.
It's easy to miss, man, with all this white here. But on the back heel tab, on the pull tab, we have the Adidas trefoil logo. But the thing is, it's in this really long-haired suede material. in its accent color of green and blue. And that's a nice blue, if I do say so myself. That's a nice.
It's ooh.
Ooh.
That's this. No, actually, it's not.
It's not, but it's still ooh. I like that.
Yeah.
I like all that.
Oh yeah.
Looking at the tongue here, we have a canvas tongue in a white material just underneath the shoelaces with some screen print gold touches. You know, it says.
Yeah, you German. Go say something.
Yeah, start with the English here first.
Yeah,
I'm bilingual, dude. Check this out.
Yeah.
Supercourt, which is the name of the silhouette. World famous, obviously, for quality. Without being
Adidas.
Come on, the trefoil.
Yeah, that
and here it is on the tongue. Die Mark mit den 3 Streifen.
What'd that be?
The brown with 3 stripes. Come on, man, come on. Yo, ask me something else, dude. I got this. Hey, ask me something else,
What's
man.
dog in German?
Oh, Wurf.
Oh yeah, this guy good. He knows his stuff. He knows
I'm telling you, bilingual, man. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
And just underneath. Okay, hold up. Let's just pull it back, alright? That tongue. It's also in. It's actually not the long hair suede
No
here.
way.
It actually is like a felt material.
Yeah, it's like. Oh. It's what the.
I think it's actually felt.
Yeah, it's not suede.
But it's like a professional felt. It's not like
It's
one
not-
from Dollarama.
No.
These will make you super in the court. You know, you ball up, man.
Yeah.
Pull up with your basketball. You know,
You play ball these?
Bro,
Bro.
I would actually recommend these over some Jordan sneakers.
No
man.
way.
Yo, Jordan 11s.
Yeah.
Chuck those out, man.
Damn.
Super courts. This is what you want to ball in, man. You want to wear these here? Don't do that. No, you want to wear those Jordan 11s for ball. These are probably not good for that.
Okay,
I'm retracting.
Okay, yeah.
Nice for casual wear though, and skating.
Bro, I would skate these. Nice. You could probably curb stomp something with
Yeah.
this. Not saying people, because it's 2020, but you could probably curb stomp
You probably
something.
skate fast too.
Oh, bro. Bro, Friday night going out after the covenant. What you rocking with these?
Bro, bunch of fits that will match what you want to wear with these, dude. These are very versatile, very adaptable. That's why I picked these up here. Perfect for summer, low price for those low on a budget. Or just
That's me.
people who don't want to spend that much.
That's
man.
me.
This is why I recommend here the Supercourt. A nice alternative to the Nike Air Force One, Stan Smith, Superstars, whatever other classic sneakers there are, for the low.
Damn, but how it fit though?
True to size, man.
Oh, no
These
way.
still true to size. I have these here in a size 9. I'm a size 9. They're a little bit more on the longer end in the toe box, just as most sneakers are, but not discomforting.
Yeah.
If anything, this is a comfort thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, off the dome.
Damn,
man. Told you I'm German, bro.
Word, that's you.
Du bist ein Genie.
What that mean?
You are a genius.
Yeah, we empower each other here.
Exactly, man. Here at Brosefiles, we care for our viewers, man. Hey, you you having a bad day recently?
Yeah, recently.
Hey, man. Come in. Closer, dude. Just pull it in, man. You'll get through it. You'll get through all that. Man, you'll run through all that. Know what I'm saying, man? Whatever obstacle you're facing right now, whatever mountains you're climbing,
Hi.
yeah, you feel like nothing's working. You feel like your rope is about to rip. You're about to fall. The pit's pretty spike-filled and deadly, but you're gonna make it out of there, man.
Damn, how?
You're not gonna fall. You got wings.
Oh, bro,
You got wings, man.
Yes, you're an angel.
You're gonna get through this.
Yes.
And once you do,
Yeah.
once you hit the top, once you're on the peak,
Yeah.
once you climb that mountain,
Yeah.
you got that flag on your back.
Yeah.
You know what you do with that flag?
What do you do with it?
You're gonna be on that peak. You're gonna, my land, take that flag, pop it down on that peak. This is my territory. Hey, man, you're gonna get through this. Woman, you as well. I believe in y'all, man.
That's crazy.
My eyes probably bloodshot as hell.
Oh yeah, a little bit. It's like
I'm looking at him like, you go get through this. You can get through all that.
hey man, off feet.
some pepper.
Woo! Where are they always coming from? I have no idea, man. We gotta fix that leak though.
Yeah, it's crazy. Hey man, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below.
Notification gang, 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 so you never miss a video. But also, comment section down below, man. Let me know what y'all think of these here. Is it fire or is it not? Because if it's not, I want to hear.
Word.
Exactly. We try to build this community here,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Hashtag Brosefiles. You got a nice fit. You got some nice kicks. Post it on your IG and tag us there, man. You have a chance to get into our people who don't know shit about sneaker and fashion, talk about latest trends in sneaker and fashion.
Yes, sir.
Episodes, man. Exactly. For real.
And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe.
That's right.
No,
I love Michael B. Jordan. What's up?